Welcome to Most Popular Monday. I'm super excited for this. I'm starting my own series. I think it will be really good. And yeah, Most Popular Mondays. So, the most popular on Roblox today is Adopt Me. So, that's what we're going to do for Most Popular Monday. Okay, I gotta play this even though I've already played this. So let's get into this Roblox. Chop chop. Here we go. Most Popular Monday. Today we are doing... Okay, I need a brief. Adopt Me. Okay, parent or baby, 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 parent. Am I fine? We'll worry about that later. Let's do parent. Okay, reclaim, close. Good, let's start. Okay, this house looks nice. There's a girl's room, a shower. I wanna go outside. I don't wanna be in a house all lonely. Oh, this is nice. I like this game. Oh, $20. Fine with me. Does the AM on the money mean like it's AM? Do we get PM money? Ooh, that would be funny. This is just the house development, so I think we gotta go to the exit door. Ooh, lemonade. Sure, I'll buy some lemonade. From Lumpy Pup. Some good lemonade. Thank you, Lumpy Pup. Or whatever the heck your name is. Is that actually what Lumpy Pup is called? This lemonade's really good. Oh yeah, I drink it all. Oh, there's a playground. I like playground. But I'm a doll. I need to get a baby. So you got a snow cat? I want to get a cat. How do I get... Oh, a pet. Set pet. Start egg. Unhatch. Hatch now. Come on. I guess I gotta wait. How do I pick up? Probably feed it, maybe. Here, eat the sandwich. You eat slow. Bye-bye, starter. Oh, dang it, teleports. So we gotta get a baby. Is there anything else? I can name you, but I don't want to name you until I figure out what you are. So let's get from the baby from the nursery. Where's the door to the nursery? Where's the door to the nursery? Now I know. Starter egg. I think this is the door to the nursery. I like this music. I'm gonna put it on so you guys can hear it. This music is really good. I enjoy it a lot. Oh, that person got starter egg too. Okay. Wait, are you a baby? Okay, good. R set. Okay, R. Can I make you a kid? Anna. Goo Goo Gaga. Hehe, I'm only kidding. This is where you come to adopt. I already have a family, but if you just need to make friends. Okay. Will you be my friend? I'm pretty sure you're gonna give me something if I do, but I'm not gonna be your friend. Bunny, you're my kid now. You're coming with me. You're my kid. VIP? How much is VIP? Nope. Come on, Bunny, you're my kid now. Your key. Oh, my keys now. Oh my goodness. This is so cringe. Too cringy for me. Cringe. Pew, pew, pew. Travel to the neighborhood. I'm not going to. Come on. Banana car. I need a good car. I'm gonna jump on the trampoline, Bunny. I'm gonna drop you on the trampoline. Okay, ready? Jump! I drop you on. Oh, there you are. There you are. Hey, we're jumping. Baby. Bunny, this is like your habitat. Wait, Bunny, where'd you go? Bunny? Bunny, Bunny, come back. Come back. What are you doing? You wanna go in? Okay, you're coming with me, Bunny. We're gonna go in the obbies. Because you wanted to go to obbies. We're gonna go to an easy obby, mini world, because you're a baby. You can go, you get a badge? Okay, Bunny, you ready? I'm gonna do this obby. You ready, Bunny? Bunny! Come on. Okay, I'm carrying you. You're coming with me, Bunny. We're gonna have to walk through this together. Come on, Bunny. We're gonna make it. You're my bunny. I don't have a pet, so I'm not looking at you, Starter. You're not my pet. Bunny, you're my new pet. Alright? Oh, dark. Ooh. What is that noise? Ooh, this way. Okay. Okay, ready for a big jump, Bunny? Where do we land? I think on this table. Whee! Ow! Oh, I died, Bunny. My egg says he wanted to go to sleep. I don't know how to sleep, so we're walking through this. This noise isn't as happy. I don't like it. Oh, you know what? We're quitting. We're quitting, Bunny. What is that noise? Oh, it must be Discord. Come on, Bunny. We're gonna go on. We're gonna get up on this. No, we're just go on the swings. We're gonna go on the swing, okay? Just walk on. Okay, you walk to get on the town. So I'm gonna just drop you on it and just push you on it. Oh yeah, alright, yeah, actually, so I get on it, and I go back and forth, and then you should be picked up on it. My egg is getting in my way. Okay, first of all, I need to bring the egg over here. You need to pick up your egg. Okay, awesome, Luke. Or Bunny, you need. Drop, baby. Okay, you stay there. Okay, now you should get on it. Because if it hits you, it should hurt you on it. Get on it. You're in it. Go on it. This is such a challenge. Get onto it. Now you know what? You know what? I'm gonna drop you. Drop. Pick up. You're coming with me. We're gonna go on this one. Eggs, move out of the way. We're on the swing. Wee. I don't care if you need a shower. You're an egg. You know what? If you want a shower, let's go swimming. Come on, guys. I'm gonna go swimming. I'm gonna clean ourselves off. Is that better? Okay. That's good. We're showering. This counts, right? But where did she go? Bunny? No, my bunny. I lost my bunny bun. Well, I guess I don't know what to do. Santa, what should I do, Santa?
Well, hello there, little one. This is how you make money and afford ways to get so many gifts. I packed all these gifts with love, but one of the gifts especially has a legendary vehicle you can drive. I hope you picked the right one, because I don't know which gift has a legendary vehicle on it. I'm guessing it is the big present. Like, literally, there's 2 presents. One cost a lot less. Wait, that's 70. 189. And you literally need to make $9. How do I make $9? How do you get money? Isn't it like for watching a child? The pool party. You're just hot. Take them to a pool party. I don't know how to find a pool party. I need to make money. Look, come on. We're gonna go swimming. Does this count as a pool party? Okay. I got money. Okay. Not really meant for pets. Okay, we're gonna get this present. And this better be something with the vehicle. Okay, let's open it. Come on. A frisbee! Go get it, dumb egg. I'm just kidding, you're a nice egg. That's good. Good egg. Okay, I'm gonna throw it this way. And go get it. There it is. Good job. Okay, I think that's enough for today, egg. I think this is where we end our adventure off for Most Popular Monday. See y'all next time on Mushy.